real in your personal space here. And I'm just using the side of my tooth. Do you think you're gonna wanna ever turn this into multiples? Or do you think you're gonna stick with just the one?
I think if I do go with multiples, I'd want one that's more like centered.
I'm gonna map things out
Yeah.
with your ear shape.
I honestly don't think about like ear setup a whole lot because
And with my markers, it's really light with the toothpick. You're gonna feel me start with some pressing and checking here, okay? This is not me piercing or poking yet. This is just me feeling around for how things move. I'm gonna tell you when, no surprises. Nice big deep breath. And exhale nice and steady. Doing great, keep breathing, there we go. Piercing's done, just popping in your jewelry. You did awesome. You're gonna feel a little bit of friction here while I guide in your jewelry. And then when I lock everything together, you might hear a little crunchy sound, which is just the sound of the closure on this, the sound of you hopefully not losing your little sparkle while it is still healing. Which will be weird for you since you're used to getting threaded stuff. So you usually don't get to hear the little threadless crunch. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna clean up all that extra purple and we'll get you a peek in the mirror.